How do you associate the term Ayikhale? What do you associate this term with? As someone who's fluent in isiZulu, but also as someone who works for the South African Police Service.
Alikho enqolobani yesiZulu leli gama angilazi.
How Zakhal?
I think we'll have to translate that.
Okay, sorry.
General.
I mean, that word does not necessarily exist in the vocab of the Zulu as a language. So it is a word that I really don't know what it means, except something that started trending around July.
Would you associate this term or phrase with the unrest?
It started trending around July. So I'd like to believe that perhaps it was meant to be used during the unrest. But it's still happening now, so there's no unrest. I do not know.
Zakhal?
Would you say this term was a key factor behind the rioting and looting in July?
I will not say that.
Are the police currently probing cases relating to the use of the word Ayikhale, Ziyakhala manje?
I do not know about the specific investigation in relation to that. As far as I'm concerned, that is not a criminal offense to use such a word. So the police would be wasting resources if they to investigate such.
That is helpful.
Zakhal?
In your view, does this phrase Ziyakhala, Ayikhale, does this phrase incite violence?
I said earlier, I'm repeating again, Commissioner, I do not know the real meaning of the word. So I cannot say it incites violence.
Does this slogan or phrase carry any violent message?
Same answer I gave before, Commissioner. I do not know what it means because to date it's still being used, it's still trending.
Zakhal?
Thank you.